In this video,
we will learn how to install Superman mod in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to install the Superman mod, all you need to do is come to the Patreon page of Julio NIB. In here, you will find the Superman 2.2 mod. So the main version of this mod is paid and you will need to pay $5 for it. But there is a free version in his Patreon which you can download by clicking on this button in here. After you have downloaded that, you will also need to download the NIBSH mod menu, which you can find in his Patreon also. And as the free version that does not include a model, you will need to download this free model, which can be installed using add-on pads. After all these files are downloaded, just extract them into a separate folder. Now you will need to open up the installation directory of your GTA 5 game. In order to do that, come to your game launcher. From here, click on the three dot beside the game, hit to manage, click on the folder icon, and you will be directed into your game. So firstly, we will install the model of our Superman. In order to do that, we'll need OpenIV. So you should have that installed on your computer if you are trying to mod GTA 5. After OpenIV opens, all you need to do is head into the mods folder, then update x64 DLC pack, select add-on pets which should be installed, then head to dlc.rpf, then pets. In here you will just need to copy every one of these files and drop them into the DLC RPF folder. After that, head into your GTA 5 installation directory, run add-on pets editor as an administrator. In here you will add a new ped which should be named Superman/JL/Dreadnought. The ped type should be male and streamed should be false. Then add the ped, rebuild, and the model adding is done. After that is done, we'll install the NIB mod menu. In order to do that, head into the folder, double click on the setup package, and your OpenIV should start installing the package. Now from here, click on the install button and select the game folder. Then confirm. Now your installation should be on the way. After that is done, close it. And now we will install the Superman file. In order to do that, head into the Superman folder that you extracted. From here, first you will need to set up the Superman version 2.2.0.4. We'll use OpenIV for it as well. From here, click the install button, then select mods folder, then confirm. Now your Superman mail file should start installing. After this setup is done, you can close it. Now you'll need to select the suits INI file and set up it. So double click on it again. From here, click the install button and select the games folder, then confirm it. After this setup is done, close it. Now for the corpse model, we'll select the add option and install it like previously. From the install option, we'll select the mods folder, then confirm it. Now after that is done, close it. And in the extra stuffs mod, you'll find some mods that are for error fixing. If you face any of the related errors, you can just apply one of these mods in the same way like before. So now the mod is installed and we'll just open our game. So finally, after you get into the game, you can click Ctrl+N to open up the NIB mod menu. From here, open up the Superman version 2.2. Then go into suits and select the suit that you have just installed. So now you can use the Superman mod and do various things with it as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.